Hey guys, New Copy Demon here today, and I'm doing an unboxing video of the Xiaomi Mi A2. As you can see right here, it says Android 1, which is running on Android 1, which is stock Android, which is not Mi UI. So we're going to have a look at the specs quickly right here. So let's zoom in and wait for it to focus. Come on, focus. See, every time when I do a video, it never wants to focus. But that's okay. There we go. 12 megapixels plus 20 AI dual camera, the 20 megapixel front camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 and Android 1. So it's also the most secure. And as you can see right here, this device is restricted to indoor use only when operating. Okay, it's made in China, where Xiaomi came from. And as you can see right here, Xiaomi, well, it didn't say Xiaomi, but it says Mi A2 Black, which we've got the black color one. And we have the 6 gig RAM and the 128 gig ROM, which is the storage. And as you can see, there's a QR code which says for more information please scan, which we don't need to. But we do have the contents in here, so let's have a look what the contents say. It contains the Mi A2 adapter, USB Type-C cable. So this actually uses Type-C instead of that shitty micro USB. And of course Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, because this doesn't have a headphone jack, and I don't care, to be honest. But yes, and let's also see that it had a clear case. So let's back this up a bit. And sorry for the shakiness. I am using only one hand for this unboxing, but that's all good. Let's open the adapter now, shall we? God damn it! Don't do this to me. This is a bad unboxing. Okay. Oh. Gotta be careful. There we go. Okay. And if I remember right from seeing this in reviews, this is the gel case that it comes with. So there we go. There is the jelly case, which most phones should now have. And there's the device right there. Let's take it out. Oof. That's nice. That is nice. As you can see, 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel AI dual camera, 20 megapixel front camera, and Qualcomm 660. But holy crap, this is, I can see what they mean. Okay, that is a raised bump. You're not sure? Yeah, look at that camera bump right there. That's huge. Sorry if it's out of focus, but you know, that's the story of my life with my videos. It's always out of focus. And as you can see right here is the USB Type-C, and yep, like I said, no headphone jack, but it does have an IR blaster, which every phone should have, because it's awesome, because you control people with. And as you can see, as I bring this over here, well, actually I can't really take it out, but that is the adapter, which, well, USB adapter, the charging adapter plug, which I don't need to actually use because I got given this. This will have my one in it, so let's open it up. And sorry for this. There we go. And it's got two. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm going to trust it because it's shipped with it. But that is the phone. That's not a dummy phone, because we're going to actually just peel this off now, if we can. So come on. I'm not doing a review on this, but holy crap. Look. Oh, that's beautiful. And look at that. Not a single scratch on the screen. But let's turn it on, shall we? Oof, Android 1. It's not using that MIUI crap. Despite the fact I actually call it crap, but it's actually pretty beautiful, because MIUI had a very awesome feature. Just amazing. But holy crap. And that right there, that is the fingerprint scanner. And those are the two camera lenses, and that's just, you know, Xiaomi stuff. Okay. Whoa, that was quick. But okay, let's start it up. Okay, yeah, skip, because we don't have any. Skip. Yes, I'll get back to it later. Can I just quit out of it? Okay, I don't care about that. God damn it. Skip. Okay, I'm not going to have to do this. Okay, next. Next, don't care. Okay, fingerprint, fine. Okay, that's going to be password. I'm not even looking at the screen while I'm doing this. I'm just looking through my camera lens. Okay, don't care about the fingerprint scanner at the moment. Skip away. Or skip anyway. done, 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 done. Don't care. No thanks. Okay. And voila. And look at that, no bloatware whatsoever. Besides probably feedback, file manager, and that. But yeah, as you can see right here, that is now, that is running the latest version of Android. So if we go here, system, okay, updated to 8.1. That is the latest version of Android for me, and that is beautiful. So if we go to about phone, 8.1, let's activate the Easter egg. That's Oreo, and oh, hello, there is an octopus. Yes. So Oreo's Easter egg is just the octopus. But I'd like to say thank you for watching my unboxing video. It's a very shitty one, but yeah, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will not be making another phone unboxing video. This will be my only one. But yeah, and I do apologize for the flash. So I hope you all have a good one, and thank you for watching my crappy unboxing video.